Hey guys, I'm Candylover89 and I'm super excited to be doing a skull sparkly makeup for spooky season. The best part about spooky season is the spooky stories, and we're gonna be getting into some that have happened to me in my life, but I'm gonna be using my new collection with SHEIN for this look, and it's gonna be super easy. You can literally do it at home. So stay tuned, get comfy, and let's get started. All right, so I'm gonna be using this 15 color water activated eyeliner palette. I am obsessed with the colors, the neon vibes, and this is part of the collection, so make sure you guys check that out. You're gonna just use regular water. You don't need to use a spray bottle. You can just wet your brush, and you're just gonna spray the color that you wanna use. And I'm basically gonna start just doing almost like a rainbow. So let me tell you guys about my first time experiencing sleep paralysis. I was laying down, watching TV. Out of nowhere, I couldn't move. I could see the entire room. I could see the TV was still going. And I got so scared. There was nothing coming out. I knew my mom was in the other room. And I started feeling this pressure, like just on top of my body. And I'm like, what is happening? Just like this heavy feeling. From the corner of my eye, I see this shadow just staring at me. It starts coming closer and closer and closer. And again, I'm still just freaking out. Out of nowhere, it all disappears and I can move again. But I don't know if you guys have ever experienced like sleep paralysis. How was your experience? Because I genuinely I'm so curious about this stuff. Right now, all I'm doing is really just blending in all of these colors together to kind of create like a little rainbow moment. And you guys will see, we're gonna be adding black in the details. You have to trust the process when it comes to makeup. Sometimes they start absolutely horrendous. And I'm kind of going like with the colors on this side and just mixing them all kind of in. When I went on the SHEIN website, I really wanted just something that I can use, that I don't have to buy like 15 different colors. I can just get one palette that has all of them. And I'm gonna go in with this black, also water activated eyeliner or paint. This is amazing. You guys are gonna see how it just glides right onto the skin. So I'm literally just using that paint to just block out everything. And you guys can see the pigment on this is amazing. It's going right over the other colors. Like, you know, sometimes you use certain products and it's like sheer. No, this is full on black. You can use this as eyeliner if you wanted. The reason I like to use the water-based products, I feel like they're just so easy to work with. As soon as you get those products wet, they glide right on. So I feel like for Halloween makeups and stuff, it's just so much easier to use a water activated product than using like creams and stuff like that where you have to set them. With the water activated makeup, you don't really have to set them. I'm gonna also start doing the little cheek. So if you really look at a skull, I'm gonna use this brush holder as an example, also from the collection. You can see the ridges. So right here, it creates this like shadow. So that's the same thing we wanna do for the makeup. So we're gonna do kind of like this little indent here and going into the cheekbone. We're starting to see a skull, I feel like. Now we're gonna make our jawline skinnier by just creating this shadow back here. So now we're gonna do the nose, and the nose is gonna be kind of like two little sideways triangles. I feel like the nose is like the easiest to do. So you're gonna do one that's kind of small, and then you're gonna do another one, leave a little space in the middle. This is literally just like doing different shapes. Like you have a circle here, you have a couple little curves. Shading is everything. You wanna make sure that you're kind of giving it more depth to the skull. So I'm gonna start with a little bit of eyeshadow just right in here, create a little bit more depth of where the natural shadow on a skull would be. It's almost like we're just doing little shadows on this. It's gonna give it like that sunken eye type of look. And also, I almost forgot, we have this little bone right in here. I'm gonna use that same black eyeliner, and I'm just gonna create it right in here. Fill it all in, just random little shapes. Doesn't have to be perfect. And if you're gonna recreate this look, make sure to tag us. Tag me, tag SHEIN, because I wanna see all the looks that you guys come up with. So now that we're getting that shading taken care of, I wanna add some crystals to this look. All right, so right now I'm adding the teeth. I'm putting the rhinestones first, and then I'm going to line in between so that they really, really, really stand out. Okay, so I'm finishing off the teeth, and I really want to add some crystals throughout here so that it looks like it's like half of the face. And we're gonna add some crystals here, here just to really add to that bling. Because if you look, when we move, we want it to just be like pew, 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 pew. Fireworks everywhere. So I'm gonna go ahead and keep bedazzling my face so you guys can see that full effect. Look at the bling, look at the blend. Now we're gonna add some lashes. Look at how cute these are. They're all different colors. It's like a rainbow and it comes with so many different pairs. I'm gonna use this mirror also for my collection. Look at how cute this is for any room of the house. Like, this is such a cute mirror. It's the perfect size. You can literally put it on any room of the house. It is stunning. It's giving spooky queen. So now I'm gonna go in with this eyeliner, and this is everything. The pigment on this, insane. Wait till you see it. And I feel like this color will look good because of the hair. So I'm just gonna do like the little outer corner here. Look at the pigment, it is stunning. And if you want, you could even do it on this part right here. Little pop of color on this side. Give it some blues. You didn't get cute. Did you think I was done? Because I'm not. Never, never enough glitter. And look at this. Every single color that you can think of, every single color on my hair, on my outfit, everywhere, I'm gonna be putting them on my shoulders. I feel like because we have the short hair going, but we have all this glitter glam, I just wanna go like this. I wanna use the yellow. Vamos a usar el amarillito, the yellow right here. And I'm just gonna put it on the shoulders. Tap it on. Tap it on. You can use your finger as well if you want. Puedes usar tu dedito. Tap it on. Giving us that glitter, that glam. You can mix in another color. I'm gonna use a little bit of the green. All right, my loves, so this is the end of this skull look. It's beautiful. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you enjoyed it, make sure to follow us and check out my new collection with SHEIN that I'm super, super excited and proud about. And have a spooktacular Halloween.